Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fast forward content on ITVX. Now if you want to fast forward the content on ITVX but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to fast forward the content, then you need to simply open the ITVX app on your device. So now if you are using your phone, then you need to simply open ITVX app on your device and make sure that your app is up to date and is simply installed. So this will be the home page of your ITVX. Now you need to simply tap on the video player to show the control. Now so let's say if you are watching the family Stallone, so if you click on it, and you need to click on the option of the watch now, which is highlighted in blue. So if you click on it, so currently I'm not signed in, you need to sign in. So if you click on it and this episode will be start playing, you need to simply drag the progress bar like this. So if you drag the progress bar towards right, then the fast forward will happen automatically, and you may stop on the choice of the thing which you want to stop. And you may also use the fast forward button by tapping like this, or you will see the option of 10 second or 15 seconds forward button, which will be arrowed like this. So if you click on those button, it will usually forward you 10 to 15 seconds. So that's it. That's how you can fast forward on ITVX. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.